Hello again. In this tutorial, we're going to be talking about high, the high tag, B tag, paragraph. I think I've done that, and hey tag. Let's hop over to our Visual Studio Code and continue. I'm going to use the high tag. For you to use high tag basically is your normal Word document called italics. The high tag defines a part of text in an alternate voice or mode. The content inside typically display in italics. So anytime you hear of I tag, you'll know that you're talking about italics. To do that, let me write something here. The I tag is often used to indicate italics. What I want to do now is I want to italize italics. To do that, I'll write I and close it just like this. One thing you need to understand about all HTML tags, you can add your own class and customize it the way you want. But we're not going to do that now because we'll be using Bootstrap and CSS and all that. But I want you to get yourself familiar with all these tags. By the time you are able to know all the tags, you will be able to know how to style them. And that is web design. Now let's save this and go to our browser. Now what I want to do basically, I want to make this text larger. To do that, I will wrap it inside a p tag and I will use style. Then I will talk about the font size. I want extra large, extra large. I want the font width. These are CSS, but I'm going to be talking about it in future videos. I want it to be very bold or bolder. I can specify my own as well. If I hop over to this now, I should be able to see a very big text. Now let me italize this. Now if I remove this italics and save, you notice that it's quite different. It's the same thing with the text. Now let's add it here. This will be italized. Of course, you can play around with many styles. I'm going to be dealing with all of this much later. The next one we want to talk about from our code is the big tag. The big tag is the same thing as bold. To do that, I think we've already done that here, so there's no need to repeat it. The next one is P, we've done that. And the next one is A tag. It is called anchor tag. To use anchor tag, I'm going to break to the next line. And this is how to break to the next line. You use BR, break to the next line. I'm going to write A less than A. I'll specify the address, which is href equals. This time around, I'm going to Google http://echo.com. I'll close the tag. When you close the tag, this will not work until you assign a text to it. To assign a text to it, I'll go to Google. I'll save this. I'll hop over to my browser. You will notice that if I roll over my mouse on this, I will be able to click. If I click, this will direct me to Google. Excellent. Now let's play around the A tag a little more. There's what we call targets in A tag, anchor tag. And these targets, you can actually decide the way your app your click will behave. To do that, you can use blank. If you use blank, it will tell this click that anytime you click this, open in another tab. Now let's save this now and go back to our browser. I'm going to refresh this page and click tag. Notice that it will automatically open in another browser. I'll hop over to Visual Studio Code. There are so many things you can play around with, but we're going to be taking it one after the other. You can style it. You can do many things with it. Don't worry, it's very simple and very straightforward. In the next video, we're going to be dealing with more tags. Thank you.